Ever feel like you know exactly who you want to be, but you keep living like the same old version of yourself? You imagine a stronger, healthier, more focused version of you. But then reality hits and you fall back into your old habits. You say, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next week, and next week becomes never. You want to wake up early. You want to fix your discipline. You want to stop procrastinating. You want to finally respect yourself. So why is it so hard? It's not because you're broken. It's not because you're weak. And it's definitely not because this is just who you are. The truth is simple. Your brain is addicted to the person you used to be. Your old identity feels safe, even if it's destroying your potential. When you try to change, your brain says, wait, this is new. This is uncomfortable. Let's go back to what feels familiar. That's why change feels painful. Not because you can't do it, but because you're fighting your old identity. But here's the good news. You can reprogram it. You can literally rebuild who you are, one tiny decision at a time. Here are 3 mindset shifts that can completely transform your life, if you take them seriously. But before it, subscribe and like the video to see our next videos. 1. Stop thinking all or nothing. You don't have to change your entire life today, you just need to do one thing differently. Your brain hates big change, but it loves small progress. Want to get fit? Don't start with an hour at the gym. Start with a 5-minute walk. Want to study more? Don't force 3 hours. Start with 10 minutes. Small changes feel safe. And safe feels doable. And doable becomes consistent. That's how identity shifts happen. 2. Act like the person you want to be before you become them. This is the mindset that separates successful people from everyone else. Successful people don't wait for motivation. They don't wait to feel ready. They act like the version of themselves they want to become. Want to be disciplined? Ask yourself, what would a disciplined person do right now? Want to be confident? How would a confident version of me stand, talk, decide? Your actions shape your identity, not the other way around. 3. Stop trusting your feelings. Your feelings will lie to you. They will tell you, not today. You're tired. You can do it later. If you follow your feelings, you'll stay exactly where you are. Successful people don't live by feelings. They live by principles. Your feelings say skip the hard thing. Your principles say do it anyway. The moment you stop letting feelings control your choices, your whole life shifts. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you're becoming. One workout? Vote for I'm a healthy person. One page of reading? Vote for I'm someone who improves themselves. One tiny act of courage? Vote for I am confident. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep voting. Again and again and again. Here's the truth. You're not struggling because you're lazy. You're struggling because your brain is comfortable with the old you. But the fact that you're watching this means you're ready for a different life. So here's your challenge. Do one tiny action today. Something so small, your brain won't fight it. Once you start, momentum will kick in. And once momentum starts, everything becomes easier. You don't need to be a new person overnight, but you can start acting like them today. Your future self is waiting, So take the first step before the old you pulls you back again.